Hi, Dr. Gan Montenegro po ulit. Okay, so itong tanong, medyo mahaba ulit, so hindi pwede ng shorts. Ang tanong, Dok, pag nakapag-flu shots po ba, hindi na po ba dadapuan ng influenza virus? Or hindi nalalagnatin? Ilang months po ang effectiveness nun? Salamat po. Okay, so flu vaccine. Flu vaccine should be given every year, yearly, no? Pero it doesn't mean you have to given it on the same time of the year. Bakit? Kasi merong optimum time of the year to give the flu vaccine. Kailan yun? Ibinibigay ang flu vaccine before mag-rainy season. So, ang Philippines flu vaccine comes out at around end of March onwards, no? So, dapat by that time, mabigyan na yun. So, now is what? November 2024, mostly ubos na po ang flu vaccine, no? So, next ninyo is by March 2025. Okay, so, ang tanong, hindi na ba dadapuan ng influenza? Well, hindi naman sa ganun, no? So, pwede pa rin siya magkaroon ng influenza. Pero, it has been proven that those people who are given flu vaccines, hanggang ubot-sipon lang, hindi na pumapangit to pneumonia. No? So, magkakaroon pa rin ng ubot-sipon, pwede pa rin mahawa. Bakit? Kasi, there are more than 1,500 serotypes of influenza. No? So, sa buo sa tanang buhay mo, hindi ka makahawaan nung ganun kadami. And, every year, nagbabago yung strains nung 1,500 na yun. So, at this point, I'm not sure kung gaano kadami na yung exact number. So, may different strains. So, that's why yung flu vaccine is annual kasi every year, isinasama nila yung mga strains na lumabas the year before that. So, kung ang tanong, hindi na po ba magkakaroon? Pwede pa rin, pero hindi na ganun kapangit. So, ang next na tanong is ilang months ang effectiveness nun? So, usually, it's a year. No? So, isang buong taon. So, kaya nga, you have to be given your annual flu vaccine. Kaya nga annual kasi every year. Alright? So, hopefully, this answers your question. Ito po si Dr. Gan Montenegro. Bye-bye.